Welcome to the next episode of Python Beyond Basics, and today we are doing dictionaries, and we are on day 3. Streak. Anyways, so what are dictionaries? Dictionaries are unordered, mutable data structure which stores the information in key value pairs. Okay, let me show an example. My details, like we used in tuples, we give curly braces, okay, and we can say string. Okay, we have to give key, then value, then again we can give like age, then value, then again we can give a branch as key and then value as CSE. Okay, awesome. And let's print this out, and let's say my details, and yeah, this will print out our dictionary. This is our dictionaries, which will store value or information in key and value pairs. Okay, and obviously this is unordered, and these are mutable in the sense we can update my details, let's say name to Tim. Okay, Tim, I don't know why, but Tim. Okay, it got updated. Awesome. Now we can also do something like this: my details 2 equals dict, and then pass key value as arguments to this function, like name equals Arpan, age equals 21. Again, I don't know why. And if we print details 2, they should print as well. Now notice in dictionaries we use colon, but when we were doing like initializing from the function dict function, we used equal sign. Okay, like we do in Python functions. Okay, awesome. Now what's next? Oh, awesome. Right, get value. Okay, so the way we get value, okay, or using key, okay, like we did, like we indexed in tuples and sets, we do we pass name of the key to in the square brackets to extract the value. Okay, this name will give us Arpan, this age will give us 20. Awesome. Okay, okay, just making sure you guys can see this. Oh, okay. Awesome. Now same way we can set the function value, we can add a value. Okay, like we can do something like email, okay, which is not currently in that, so anything at anything dot anything. Okay, and now if we see the complete dictionary, the email field should be added. Okay, awesome. Let me just open it up once again. Yeah, it's fine. Now if we want to delete some field, like we can pass my details, and we can say which value we want to delete, and that name should be gone. Okay, awesome. The same way we can do something like .pop method, .pop, and it will need a key which we want to delete, and that it will delete. Again, name is gone. Now there's one method called pop item, which will delete the latest added field. Okay, let's say if this was the case, the latest added field or key was branch, right? So this should delete the branch from it. But if we uncomment this, and now the email is the last added, so email will be gone. So pop item will delete the last item which was added. Okay, awesome. Now what we can do, we can iterate over the dictionaries using for in loop. Okay, what we'll do, we'll do something like for key in my details print key. Now to be more specific, let's check what this will do. So this is basically printing all the keys, right? And this is not because I told her key. I can pass x also here, and this will only print the keys. Okay, and to be more precise, we can do something like dot keys. So this will return a list of keys, and then it will iterate over that. Okay, so yeah, and same way we can do something with values. Okay, and this will give all the values. Okay, and we can iterate over it like we are doing it here. Now what we can do, we can get both keys and values, like x and y, where x is key and y is value, and we can iterate over that. Okay, let's check if that's working. So yeah, name is the key, x here x is the key and y is the value. And obviously now that you got that was just variable name, and it doesn't matter whatever it is. So I'll just change it to key and value so that we get more sense out of it. And value, awesome. And if we do, so yeah, name is the key, and age is the key, branch is the key, and the respective values are there only. Okay, so that's how we iterate over what do you say, dictionary. Okay, and obviously we can check if a key is there, like name in my details, then print what's the name, my details, and what's the name, what's the value of that. Okay, if that's the case. So yeah, it was there, that's why it printed. And obviously we can add something like try and except block, like print name, wait, not like this, print name like my details. Why am I keep telling my dict? Okay, except 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 print error. Okay, I hope that's fine. Okay, so name is there, but if we try to I don't know, email one, or let's say phone, if we try to do that, it should print error because that isn't there. Okay, so that's how you use try and except block. Okay, awesome. Now the most fun part, let's say you want to copy your details, okay, to let's say my details too. Okay, so normally you would do something like this and just print it out, my details too, and this should work just fine, right? You would think that, right? Okay, it's cool. But what you wouldn't know, that if we change something in my details, like if we change name to, I don't know, let's say again Tim, this will update the my details too as well. Why this is happening? Because this my details and my details too are pointing to the same object. Okay, same object in the memory, they are just referring it to it. That's why it's called reference data structure. Okay, these are not the copy of it. But now if we make a copy of it with copy function, copy method, this will be a copy, and changing name to Tim in details won't affect the details too. Alternatively, what we can do, we can simply create a new dict and pass the my details dictionary to that function. Okay, and that will work just fine. Now what I want to do, I want to create my details too, and let's copy this thing and I will change branch to email, and I will just say urban for business at gmail.com, and I will update the age to 21. Okay, now what we see in these two dictionaries, so here we have name, age and branch, and age is 20. And in the second dictionary we have name, same name, age is updated to 21. We don't have branch, but we do have email, right? So I want to merge these two dictionaries and possibly update the age with the new one, right? So what I will do, I will just my details dot update and pass the second dictionaries, and this should update the my dictionary, my details. Okay, and this updated the age in my details and added email. Okay, so basically you got the idea, right? Awesome. Now I have been using just the strings for the keys, right? But you can use any data structure that is immutable, right? Like numbers. Okay, so I can create my int, my squares, let's say squares equals 3:9 and 4:16, like so. But you have to keep that in mind if you are iterating over a list, okay, and you can't use like squares or 0, like you will get this error. Okay, if you try to print this, you will get error because there's no key with 0 key, right? There's no key as 0. You have key as 3, so you have to pass that only. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind. And you can also use tuples, which we learned in the last video. Okay, that is also an immutable type if you remember. So you can even pass tuple as a key. Okay, and that won't be a problem. 1,2. Okay, that won't be a problem. But if you try to have list as a key, this will throw you an error that it is an unhashable type. List unhashable type basically means you can't use it will be changed, it can be changed, it's not immutable, so we cannot hash it, right? Hash basically means creating a unique hash for information, right? So it won't be changed in future, but lists aren't like that. So that's it, I guess. That's it for this video. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button because I really need it, and subscribe. Okay, click here to subscribe, click here to watch more videos because I really need your support. And share, please share. Okay, I gotta go now. Tomorrow we are doing sets. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Bye bye.